Hi guys, today I really have a special offer for you, and I'm going to give you a 7-day trial on a 30-day program called 30 Days to Sales. So it's really simple. You're going to learn how to build your online business on YouTube in 30 days. I'm going to show you right now the different steps. So you see here's the 30 Days to Sales program. It's with Joshua Elder. He's been my mentor for a couple of months now, and I can really tell you he knows how it works. So he's been on YouTube for a couple of years. He's learned with a lot of mistakes on the way, but he's really the guy that you want to hang out around if you want to know a little bit more about how to scale on YouTube. So I just want to show you quickly the 30 days to sell. You're going to have always videos and stuff to implement. So you have homeworks to do, so you make sure that you really implement and understand the whole training. So that's what is good about that. So you really have to learn and implement. You're not going to have all the lessons in one day. You're going to have a lesson every day, so you can really implement and understand what you're doing. So I'm just going to show you quickly. Here's the welcome page. But if you start here, you see I went through the training, and I'm just going to show you a couple of days that you're gonna go through. So if it can work, sorry. So here, getting started. So you're gonna have an overview of how to generate sales on YouTube and generate leads as well. And you see, you have an homework. Start looking for your market niche and stuff like that. And you have a list of 2,000 profitable niche if you want it. After that, you have the validation. You're gonna have to go and see out there if your niche that you picked is good. Keyword research. You're going to go through the sales process and tools, domain and email setup, setting up the sales funnel, and setting up the emails. And you're all going to have that for free. And the good thing is that if you want to keep going, you know what? It's going to cost you only $60. There's a special offer right now. Normally it's really more expensive than that. I think it's around $300. So if you want to enjoy that training and you want to get out there and start making sales, you can just go through the 30 days to sell training. If you don't like it, you have 7 days to try it. So just get out there, guys, and just start scaling your business. So I really hope you had some value from that. I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you want to have more value on different videos, and click on that little bell so you get notification when I go out there, post new videos, or if I go live. So I really hope you enjoy that, and just click on the link below. You're going to have the 30 days to sell 7-day trial right away. So have a really good day. Ciao.